Oh my gosh, you guys, look at what just came in the mail. These are lymphatic drainage leggings. I am so glad they finally arrived. Look at this packaging. Also, by the way, it's so cute. It has this rose gold color. All right, let's just open her up because I have been waiting for these because allegedly they help with cellulite reduction, bloating, because they have these beads, and these beads are supposed to help with lymphatic drainage. And oh my gosh, feeling them in person, they feel so fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna try them on. I got a size small, so let's see if she snatches me up, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Okay, great news. They fit like a glove. Just look at this. It snatches you in all the right places, and the beads also don't feel uncomfortable. It just feels like it's a part of the fabric. There's no discomfort. It's not like an obvious type of feeling. Everything just fits very seamlessly, and it's the perfect length, and there's no gap either. You know how sometimes some legging brands, there's like that pocket of air? Not with these. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I'm excited to just go about my day wearing these.